Hi, I'm Chris Marrington from thelearningworker.com. Today I've asked Mabel, one of our research assistants, to help me to explain an important concept in life and especially in your job. And it's this: never put lipstick on a pig. Now, what does that mean exactly? It means don't try to disguise a bad piece of work by trying to make it look good. Don't try to dress bad news in fancy clothes. If you've prepared a project based on poorly researched information or inadequate data, a fancy presentation with lots of sound and video effects won't save it. It makes much more sense to focus the bulk of your time improving what you have to say rather than how you say it. So remember, a pig with lipstick is still a pig. Follow us on YouTube, like us on Facebook and Twitter, and share as much as you like. See you soon. Mabel, you really do have the loveliest eyes. Have I ever told you that before?